Hi everyone, I'd like to talk to you today about what do I do with my loved ones' belongings. Um, I want you to not feel rushed when you have to go through your loved ones' belongings. It's just never easy, and I think that this is an extremely difficult thing to have to do. So I want you to choose a day where you don't feel rushed. You don't want to be in a hurry when you're going through those things. I want you to think about how much room do you have? I mean, do you have like a big house and you can store all that stuff? Or are you going to have to get a storage unit? How much room do you have? How much space do you have to store the things of your loved one? Is there a deadline? That is something that you need to think about as well. Is there a deadline? Meaning, do they live in an apartment or an assisted living or somewhere like that where you're going to have to pay the rent or the mortgage on? So that's something you want to consider as well. You also want to ask for help. There's nothing wrong with asking a friend or a family member to help you go through those things. Very, very important to have support. You want to sort through things systematically, and I will go through that as well. And you also want to avoid regrets, right? You don't want to get rid of something that maybe later down the line you think, oh, I wish I would have kept that. So, first of all, sorting systematically. You're going to do, I say, 4 main categories, which is you're going to keep a box. You're going to do these in boxes. So you're going to have a box that says keep, and you'll have a box that says relocate, or you can say donate. You'll have a box that is for trash, and I always kept a box that says I'm not sure. For those things I'm not sure if I want to part with at that time. So the next is you want to avoid regrets. So you don't want to really second guess your decisions, right? You want to avoid feeling like you regret getting rid of whatever it was. So you have to remind yourself as well, so you don't have those regrets. If you did get rid of something, you want to say that letting go of these items are not disrespectful. Materials, the materialism, the material items, they don't define the relationship. Memories do. So I think that that is really important when you are going through your loved ones' things. I hope you could keep that in mind. I hope this video helps you go through the challenging times. May God bless you and may your journey be light.